All right, today we're gonna bring a coffee grinder, and this coffee grinder, this is all you're gonna get right here, right? You get the power cord, an extender for more coffee, all right? You get the magnetic coffee where all the actual grain's gonna come out of, and it's magnetic, so there is a magnet underneath of it, all right? There is a top cover, all right? It's made of wood, which is great. It comes with a seal too also. So like I said, you could do coffee for one person. You could just put it in there. Or if you want to make coffee and grind for a larger amount, this is what you're going to do. You're going to set this up on the top here, and then you could just cover it up too. Now, we are going to test it out because this thing has 0 all the way to 65 on the actual cutting, all right? And this is the machine that's going to grind, all right? So we're going to do 0 first, all right? We're going to tone it down to 0, and the way you do it, it's marked right here. And then we're going to go to maybe after to 25 or 30, and then we're going to go to 65. We're going to try 3 different tones. We're going to start with 0 first. We're going to try a couple grains, coffee beans first, and then set it up. Before I forget to mention, there's a power button in here. All you have to do is click on it, and it's going to go. The power is going to locate it in the back. You're going to have to make sure the DC power is connected. So let's go ahead and use it and show you how it works. All right, I just plugged it in. We're going to test it out. You can hear it. So let's go ahead and start grinding. For the first time, we're going to grind a couple, maybe like a teaspoon of actual beans to size it up. And we're going to start with 0, of course. All right, so let's go ahead and put them in there. Put the cup, make sure it all drains on here. And then all you got to do is make sure, I have it on 0 right now. So we're going to go ahead and grind it. We could even put the lid just in case so it won't come down. And you can hear it working right now. So there it's done. Turn it off. We're going to measure it, and we're also going to test it out. So right now, this is 0. We're going to put this on the side. We're going to put this here, 0. So this is 0. That's 0 right there that we have in there. We're going to clean this out. Let's do the same thing, but now we're going to tone it up to, we're going to put it up to 30. All right. We're going to have 30, and then put the beans in there, put the cup in here. And this is why you need this. All right. This is why you need to clean it up. Look at that. So I'm going to put this in here, push the button. And that's it. So it seems like it grinded faster on this one. I'm going to put this on here. That's 30. Now, we're going to move it all the way to 65, all right? Get a couple beans, put them in there. Close it up. So right now we have it up to almost 65, right there, 65. Grind it. All right, that's it. I'm going to empty it out. We're going to move this here. So 65 seems like it's the thickest right here. If you guys can see 65, this is 65. It's a little thick, all right? So finest one is 0, to be honest with you. So this is 30. If you guys can see 30, 65. So good. I like how it grinds it. So if you like your coffee a little bit more darker, more flavored, then this is what you're going to go 60. But if you want it really fine and maybe get the aroma, you could also do the middle one. But this is really fine right here. So 0 was the slowest to grind, but 65 was faster because it didn't grind as much as the rest of them. So very simple. Because we're going to add more coffee to it. I want faster coffee, so we're going to put the top in here. We're going to try to top it up as much as we can, all right? All right, there's no line, but you know that top is the actual place that you're going to grind, all right? So just put this slightly slow, push the button. All right, this took me about 15 minutes to grind the entire bag. I put it at 50. I like the actual fine grain on it. It's very silky. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's right in the middle, right? I kind of like that on this one. I did use the extender. I kept fetting it. I stopped it a couple times so I could empty it out. After it's done, I let it run for another 2 or 3 seconds before I started cleaning up here. And then once I clean up the entire thing, make sure I hit it a couple times so no extra coffee lying anywhere around the area. All right, let's grab our coffee. We're gonna go 1 scoop of coffee, all right? Put it in our, add some water and we'll come back right now. Ooh, came out beautiful, look at this. We're not done yet. Look how dark and rich the coffee is. Like it like that. Push the coffee down. Pour in our coffee. Make sure you hold on to this. All right, one of the best things about the grinder is that you can immediately taste the actual grind, especially if the bean's fresh, all right? So, oh, you know what? It's beautiful. Tastes wonderful. I love coffee, and this is a perfect way for getting the best and fresh taste to your house on a fresh bean. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video.